So we've made it 150 miles so far in the truck. We're in Tucumcari, New Mexico, on our way to Amarillo. Hoping still to make it to Little Rock if we can. We can definitely get past Oklahoma City. But yeah, truck's running good. No overheating problems like the last truck. And then no issues going up hills like the last truck. So we've been doing good. Just trucking along. Had our first pit stop, so Oliver could take his pit stop. But yeah, I'll update you in a little while.
So my favorite food place is this place called Miguel's Jr.
It's good stuff.
And it's only like in the Orange County, Riverside County area. They have this thing called a coffee chata, and it is coffee and horchata mixed together.
It's good.
The best thing ever. To me it is. I love it. So mix your horchata and your coffee together, and
Honestly, I'm surprised it took them this long to come out with it.
I know, for sure. My hair's crazy, and it's really hot today, and
It's taking a long time.
this food is taking a long time.
It's very
I gotta go out with a bang and eat here. My last time. What are you doing? Just drinking.
All right, made it 780 miles today. Went from Edgewood, New Mexico, all the way to Russellville, Arkansas. So completed all of Texas and Oklahoma today, partway into Arkansas. Drive was relatively smooth until it got dark and we realized our budget truck's headlights are crap. We actually thought they didn't really work, so I just drove with the high beams on the whole way. It was like 80 miles in pitch black Arkansas forest. But we made it safely, and we're very grateful for that. We will make it to Chattanooga tomorrow. Knock on wood again. It's fake wood. And then I will be reunited with my beautiful wife and daughter after I pick them up at the airport later that evening. So, Lord willing, trip will be done tomorrow, and you guys won't have to see my updates anymore. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. As you can tell, we're back on the road. It's the morning of the 29th. We're about 60 miles away from where we were at in Edgewood, New Mexico. We are trying to make it to Little Rock, Arkansas. We'll see if we can do it. I think it's a little over 800 miles to there. We're pretty optimistic. Good spirits. We're just glad to be back on the road and not sitting in a hotel.
Today is bright.
Oh, it is very
Oh, okay, hold on. Today's the day, guys.
so sad. So happy.
Yeah. So, baby girl said she wanted donuts with her Auntie Roro for the last day. We tried to convince her to eat pancakes. She wasn't having it, so
No, I want donuts.
we're gonna go get some donuts. She requested what type of donut? Strawberry. We'll see if they have strawberry donuts. It's a no makeup kind of day because, you know, the tears. And who likes wearing makeup on an airplane? Not me. And it's a long flight.
You are going on air.
We are. It's 5 hours of flying today. 2 hour layover.
doesn't want to go
So,
on the beach.
I don't like the beach. Right.
But I do.
Yeah, I love the river and the lake though.
No, the water sees rainwater sharks in the lake at the beach.
That's the ocean, girl.
Yeah. You heard it from her.
Do you want your donut in a box?
Yeah.
And did they give it to you in a box? Just 2 donuts
That's so nice, huh?
Yeah, in a bag.
in a bag in a box. You're so special.
Oh, good morning from Russellville, Arkansas. It's actually a beautiful morning, really humid. Welcome to the South. Hopefully we'll get to our new home today. We got like 550 miles to drive today, which is like 250 less than we drove yesterday, so it should be a relatively easy drive. Knock on wood. Knock, knock, knock. That was a fence. So hopefully we'll make it, and then I'll see my beautiful family tonight. That's all I'm looking forward to. That is all that this is all about. So, good morning, farewell, have a good life.
You know what I got? I got something that reminds me of my childhood, and it's a ham and cheese croissant. I just won't eat the ham. I'm probably a tummy ache because I really don't eat gluten that much.
What do you love him.
I love ham. And I don't really eat dairy. But there's not that much cheese in here.
But I don't eat ham either.
You don't eat ham either? What did you get? So good. What kind of donut did you get? Strawberry one and what else? A sprinkle one. Amazing. Alright, we're in the car, getting ready to drive to the airport. My mom's here. So we're here. It's sad for Grandma. Oh, we're gonna miss everybody. We're gonna miss you too. But good thing is we'll be back September 4th for a wedding and her birthday. So
1 month, yes.
one month.
Woohoo!
That's right, Mom. Get to work. We are in Memphis, Tennessee. We got, I don't know, like 350 miles left till we're home. We're almost there. Lord willing, hold on. Lord willing, nothing bad happens. So we'll see. I'm just getting excited. I just FaceTime Chloe and our baby girl. I miss them. Can't wait to see them. Excited. And I know Mom's excited to get out of the car. I think Oliver is probably the most excited to get out of the car. So very, very excited. You can tell, we're in Memphis, but just look how beautiful it is. We're at a gas station and it looks so pretty. All right, see you guys later.
Who are you excited to see today?
Daddy and Anna and Oliver.
Yeah, and who are you sad to say goodbye to?
Auntie Nani and the Roro and Nani.
And what do you say when you miss them? I miss you, Auntie Roro. I miss you, Auntie Nani. I miss you, Nana. Good job. We got your BFF necklaces so you'll never forget them, huh? Can I see your BFF necklace? Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful.
Have it
I do? How's your hamburger?
too. Cheese hamburger.
A cheese hamburger. And what does that have in it? Do you have a patty in there or is it just cheese and a bun?
Just cheese and bun.
Yeah. Luggage, it's so hard traveling with just me. There it is. I don't know what it does. No idea. Oh, you just shake it. That's it. Wow.
This will probably be my last update before we arrive to our house. We're only 190 miles away. Last time we're filling up gas. Oh, so relieved, so excited. Just being in Tennessee is such a relief. I think just getting stuck in New Mexico is kind of like, oh, we're so far, but now we're so close. So even if we got stuck, it'd be fine. We're so close to home. Just so excited to see my family today. They fly in tonight, can't wait. Miss that little girl, miss my beautiful wife. So very excited, very relieved.
Oh, we're starting to land.
We're starting to land.